Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome to another video. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate all the support, guys. Today we're going to be doing a video about fixing my codes for my car. Because I keep getting these codes right here. Those codes are pretty much saying that it's a lazy O2 sensor. So that's why I turned the defoulers in some more so they can get more exhaust flow. But if you're getting a different code, turn the O2 sensors out or the defouler out some more. So today we're going to be fixing that today. There was like a fix that RV6 put out there, so I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to be taking out the pre-cat deletes, both of them out, and hopefully it'll fix it. And I want to thank you guys for subscribing and liking all my video, guys. It really means a lot to me. I'm gonna keep putting them out there, guys, so stick around. Guys, I would lower this some more, but it's really low, guys. I don't know if I want to. I got the lift under there. I can't even put my finger in between. Like that's barely clears it. All right, guys. So the mission is to remove the defouler where the bottom O2 sensor goes to, and loosen the lock nut and turn the defouler one turn in, because the O2 sensors are not reading enough exhaust gases, causing the check engine light to come on. So we're going to be removing that today, guys, and hopefully it fixes it. And also, guys, if you guys haven't already watched, I did do an install video for the PCDs, so check that out also, guys. A full step-by-step install. And it's something having a pearl white TL, man. It's so freaking clean looking. Oh man, I gotta rotate my tires too. One thing I did forget is I need to lube my coilovers, guys. I keep forgetting to lube them. I think I haven't lubed it in like 2 months. A good thing it's summertime, because yeah, well, we're gonna be using power lube to lube it, because I'm not sure what else to use. So that's what I'm going to use to lube it with. There we go. Yeah, buddy. All right, first thing we got to do, guys, is remove this brace and remove the JPipe and start disconnecting stuff. Hey guys, it's all removed. You can see the defouler right there. As much as I hate twisting off these O2 sensors without disconnecting the wire harness, I'm gonna do it. It's much easier. All right, I'm gonna keep it like that, guys. Woo. So not. All right, I've disconnected everything in the back. All I gotta do now is remove the nuts on the head. And this is why it took me so long to fix this check engine light, because I just don't feel like doing this, guys. But today we got some time. As you can see, we're really dead here and there's no work, so I'll be working on this on my TL. Also, another thing, the RV6 JPipe is so light versus the stock JPipe and the cat. It's much heavier, much heavier, and the front's so much easier to take off. See a little piece of leaf in there. There it is. All right, so we're almost there. How to take off the engine mount bracket, that little shield. Whew, we're almost done. Julian, guys, he's letting me borrow his tool. All right, so look, I marked it, guys, so we're gonna loosen this up turn it. That way, when we turn it, we don't lose the position. That was easy. So we're gonna do one turn in, one whole turn. Bam. That should be good. Most important part is make sure this line is lined up to this bottom line right here. So it looks pretty good. Time to do the other one. Oh, can't wait to get rid of this check engine light. So tired of that check engine light coming on, guys. It comes on like almost every freaking day, man. Permanent marker. That line right there. So important. Yeah, I gotta adjust the... All right, guys, check it out. They're both done. Should do it. Time to put them all back, and we will see how it goes, guys. Hopefully the check engine light is completely gone. Hopefully. I actually got rid of the spacers for the JPipe for this little frame here. So I have no spacers from here to there. Oh shit, I need some light, hold on. There it is. So I got spacers there, and I just put washers, and there are no spacers for the 3 remaining bolts here, because this was actually hitting. See, there's some scratches right there. There's no, I'm not talking to myself. There's a YouTube. So yeah, I scratched my little frame here, so I don't want it too low. All right, everything is done. I double checked everything. So I did almost forgot to put the EGR pipe back. So I got that tightened up. Everything should be good. All right, should be no more check engine light, guys. Whew. And let's get up out of here and go home. I'll give you guys an update in maybe a couple days to see if the light come back on. Check out Darth Vader, guys. He's lowered on coils, but he's got it like slammed. BC coilovers. It's just clean, man. Maybe one day I'll get one. SI. Look at that interior, man. It's beautiful. Black on red. And you got the dipped wheels. It's like kind of like dark bronze or so. What color is that? It's pretty, dude.
I got the visors on.
Yeah, I see the visors. The visors look good. Yeah, man.
One eternity later.